Greetings YouTube, Celtic Crafter here, and as you can possibly tell, my throat is a little bit raspy. It's been a while since I made a video. I think it feels like it's been almost like 2 weeks. I've just been so sick and not even really able to talk that much. But I figured it wasn't really that much of an excuse right now, since I was actually able to kind of communicate. But I just want you guys to know that I did really think about you guys, and since I wasn't able to make a video, I felt kind of bad. I was really bored, actually. But in the time that I was sick, I did a little bit of cleaning, right? Just because I'm bored and whatever. And I found my pocket watch. Yay! This was actually a graduation present from my parents, and it has that very old look to it. I don't know if you can really see that well, but there's a scratch right there. That was actually there even before I got it, and I didn't look at that as like a flaw. I looked at it as a character to say, hey, that's kind of an older looking watch, and people that look at this will be like, oh, that's so cool, if they like pocket watches. Showed some people and they're just like, that's cool. You know, it's like, you gotta be me, I guess. Anyway, I still have the face cover on it. Whatever. There's that protective film on it. But look at that face. And that kind of separates it from being the... you can see the bottom of it. But that kind of separates it from the new age, from the old age. And that's what the inside of that looks like. I've seen some that are they pearled, or I don't know if that's actually what they're really called. But this is just, looks like sandblasted actually. But I'm not quite sure. Anyway, so I found that, and I was like, so happy. On the other side of being completely kind of bored, I did a few little beadwork things, and if anybody knows what these are the paste count beads, right? Other people use paracord. I was just like, I don't have any. I only have these little beads, and this one's actually kind of a stiff one, but then, I will get into that sometime later. I'll actually show you how to use these if you guys really want, and also might find out what my pace is with you guys. I'm just not feeling like it today or any day for the past, like I said, it feels like a couple weeks. I actually really don't know how long it's been. I guess I could figure it out somehow, but I just don't have the energy to. I've just been so exhausted and tired and irritated. But yeah. Anyway, news about the pipe. This is it. It's getting a little bit more black. I think I actually might cook it, bake it, clean it, whatever one you want. Hold on a second. Sorry. Okay. I don't know how loud that was. Sorry. But anyway, I've actually noticed that this little spot has stayed white. And that's not a chip, that's not anything. I've only dropped this actually once, and I was Bold O'Donohue, if you watch his videos, and he said that when he dropped his, it was like a slow motion thing going like, ah, right? He's not joking. When these fall, and you know how fragile they actually can be, my world stopped. I was like, no. But it was amazing how it fell, because what happened was it was in my mouth, right? And a bee was flying in my face, and I was just like smack trying to get the bee out, or just pow, hit it right out of my mouth, and it just tumbled through the air. And as it was falling, I was just like, no, and it was gonna drop on gravel. And anybody knows gravel, you have a sharp rock that sticks up like this, crack. In that slow motion, with it being basically thrown down with force, it seemed like God's hand was underneath it and just gently let it hit the ground. All you hear was a dunk. I was like, ah! Looked at it. It only had, see if I can see it for you. It kind of actually covered over. You can't really see it that well, but it's on the rim, and right here. Might not be able to focus that well, but that little thing right there, that you see the black, but then it goes under, but then up. That's where the little nick is, and it's perfectly fine. I mean, I looked at it all the time. However, I was just like, where's the crack, But there isn't any. And so I was like, so relieved. But yeah, so that's this. Well, that should be the end of this video. I've been rambling on for a lot longer than I probably should. I'm gonna go get some tea with honey. Yeah. Expect more videos, and if you want to see more videos, even while I'm sick, just say, hey, what's the tea you use or whatever. I don't care. If you guys want more videos, no matter what, please comment, and as always, like and comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.